In this video, I'm going to show you how to register Portronics warranty. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, and then you want to click on warranty registration up top over here. And then when you do that, on the second page you're going to be directed to, you can go ahead and then register your warranty the following way. You'll have to first put in your first name and last name, and then your email as well. Then you will have to put in your phone number and the country code over here. And then you'll also need to fill in your product name with POR. And then you will also have to select an option here, which basically is just where you bought it. For example, I'm going to do Amazon over here. And then you also have to choose your invoice date. And then after you do that, you have to upload the invoice. So basically this is just for proof of purchase over here. So just click on here and then upload a image which is less than 2 megabytes large. And then here, if you have any comments or suggestions, you can go ahead and leave these here as well. You'll have to agree and then read their terms and conditions and privacy policy, and then just press submit. And just like this, you've basically successfully registered your Portronics warranty online. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.